step into the Buick 2022 Encore GX Select. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: preferred equipment Group 1SD, 5.45 final drive axle ratio, 18 machined aluminum wheels, 18 aluminum wheels, front bucket seats, cloth with leatherette seat trim, ride and handling suspension, radio, 8 diagonal Buick infotainment system and power tilt sliding moonroof. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.